What can you do with pumpkin seed to benefit your hair? Okay, so you know Halloween just passed and me and my daughter we did the pumpkin carving thing. I decided to save the seeds. And did you know that pumpkin seeds have amazing hair benefits? Pumpkin seeds are rich in nutrients like zinc, vitamin E, and omega 3 fatty acids. These nutrients support a healthy scalp, reduce hair loss, and promote hair growth. Sounds like a win to me. So after I rinsed the pumpkin seeds, I put them in a blender with a little bit of water. When it was done, I drained the liquid and put it in a spray bottle to spritz whenever necessary. And I put the remaining blended up seeds in the oven on low for like an hour or two. And once I took it out the oven, I put it in my coffee grinder to make a powder out of it. You could add this to your hair products, like, preferably conditioners. And you could even put it in your smoothies if you want to. So, yeah, just something to think about the next time you come across some pumpkin seeds.